Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a sad facial expression. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. If you want to look sad, if you want to have an overall sad facial expression, this is the video for you. It's actually really easy to do. And to look sad, you basically have to bring a few facial features together. So the first main one that you have to do is frown. Okay, you have to frown. So basically you have to take your lips, and this is like your lips neutral position over here. This is like the neutral position of your lips over here when they're sort of straight. And if you want to look sad, you have to take your lips and bring them into a frown like that. Sort of like the opposite of a smile. A smile is this way like that. A frown is this way like that. So basically you're going into a frowned lip position just like that. Okay, now the next things that you have to do are with your eyes and your eyebrows. And I'll just explain them together because it's easier to do them it's easier to do them in sort of one motion. And with your eyes and your eyebrows, what you're going to do is you're going to squint your eyes and bring your eyebrows down. So squint your eyes and eyebrows down, just like that, okay? And if you just do that, you're going to look a little bit angry. But when you pair it with a frown, it makes you look sad. So by doing those together, the frown, the squinting of the eyes, and the eyebrows sort of going into like a downward position, you're going to look sad. And that's the sad facial expression. When you bring it all together, you bring in the frown, and then you do your eyes squinting with the eyebrows pointing downward a little bit. It's going to look like this. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. That it's literally that simple. And there's a person that was parked beside me over here, and they're reversing, and I'm sure they could see my face. And I wonder, like, what on earth they are thinking of me when I was doing that. They're probably like, what is this person doing? Especially if they can't see the camera. If they couldn't see the camera, that's even better, because they think I'm talking to myself. But anyways, that's how to do a sad facial expression. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. Really easy to do. And that's basically it. There's nothing else to say. I've got nothing else to say other than I hope that you've enjoyed. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. And other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro for this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.